been feeling emotional.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is an After Dark Power Hour. You guys know that I always have trouble with these power hours, but mainly I think it's because of the filming aspect. So I will let you know, like towards the end of the video, how I did this time. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and click the bell so that you don't miss any more of my future uploads.
Patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional. Thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love. Can't get enough. 'Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king size.
This particular night for dinner, we had homemade Alfredo. It was so good. And if you've never made it from scratch, you definitely need to try it. I have a video that I made it in, and I will just link it in the description box for you.
I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me.
I don't know how people did it back in the day when they had large families and no dishwasher, and they had to wash all those dishes by hand. Oh my gosh. No way, I couldn't do it. Do you guys love your dishwasher, or do you like hand washing? I want to know.
Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
Pretty sure I was telling one of my older kids that they needed to help their sibling with something here. Y'all, why is my 10-year-old almost as tall as me? And I don't feel like I'm that short. I'm 5'4", but she is getting so close. My people out there who drink energy drinks. I know they are so bad for you, but I have like no energy these days at all. So for those of you that have natural energy, I am so jelly.
Possibilities lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us with.
All right, you guys, I had Cheez-Its all over the floor. Somebody was trying to pour themselves some Cheez-Its and apparently missed the plate. So it was all over. Normally I would, fish out who did it and have them clean it up. But it was Power Hour and I was trying to get done.
We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you. But now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize.
More Cheez-Its.
Between you and I, you and I, and you and
If you're wondering why I have a bare chair there, it's because someone spilled spaghetti sauce on the chair cover. So I took it off to wash it and I just forgot to put it back. All right, so I'm actually on a hunt for a new rug for my living room. I absolutely adore this rug. However, it does not fit the space and it's just starting to annoy me. So I'm going to be looking for something to switch it up here soon. Y'all are probably tired of this fall decor because I'm tired of this fall decor. I am just in the process of finding new things to decorate for winter. As much as I'm obsessed with fall, I'm over it at this point. So at some point soon, you'll be seeing me undecorate for fall. And then of course I'll change my decor over to winter. No, I did not finish in that hour. However, I feel like I did a pretty good job. And I at least did better than the last time I attempted one of these. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here soon in a brand new video. Bye.